Okay, now we need to find the value of x here, right? So how to do? First of all, you need to understand here what this sign, when you have like this x, and when you have like this way, we call square root, right? Square root mean, now here there's no any number, right? Between these two lines, there's no anything. That means here is square root, right? So you can write this is has what, the x to the power 1 over 2. This is the things we learn, right? These are we learned earlier. Now if you have here 3, that means you can write here x to the power 1 over 3, right? 1/3. And if you got here like x to the power square root 5, fifth root, we normally call this as fifth root, this is third root, we call as third root. Then you can write like this way. Here we have fifth root, that is you can write as what, the x to the power 1 over 5, like this, right? So here same idea, what I try to make here, first of all I need to tell, I need to make both side has the same base, like here 5, and here also 5. I can make no 25 5 to the power 2 like that. So that's why here I can make 5 and 1/5, 5 to the power 1/5. That's 5 has base, and again index is 1 over 5. And then here I can make 5 to the power 25 mean 5 to the power 2. And then we have index again here x, only 25 no we can write like this way. So x will be keep same as, you have to keep the same x here, and 25 I can write 5 to the power 2. And actually this question someone can start another way also, but getting fifth square, fifth like cube, you can get this everything, this whole thing to the power 5, here also to the power 5, like that way. There's another way, but I will try to use the normal way, standard way, but we need to make here same base in both sides. Okay, now we make here 5 to the power, and here also 5 to the power 2. But when you have this way, what the a base and index, then again index, we can multiply these two index, right? So I can write here 5 and then 2 into x mean 2x, right? And then here will be 5 to the power 1 over 5, right? 5 to the power 1 over 5. Then now here very important thing in maths, even science, we use this thing when you do some formula stuff. So here we have same base 5 5, and here equal. That means now they tell no these two sides equal, left to right equal. That means you can see this base is 5, here also 5, that means that 2 also equal. That means definitely this index must be equal this index, otherwise these two can't be equal. So you can think this index equal to this, right? That's it must be, right? Otherwise it can't equal. So you can write then, but the 2x must be equal to 1 over 5. Okay, now how to get x? Now we know when you have like this way, to remove this 2 we need to divide this side by 2. This side also divide by 2. We can write like this way, but it's not good. Here I can write like this way, this side divide by 2, you can write like this way, right? It's also okay. No, now here 2 cut, here will be x, and here 1 over 5, and this division sign I can change to multiplication, and you need to get the reciprocal of this. Now already here 2, but that means just not only 2, here 2 over 1, you can think like that. So now you need to get the reciprocal of this, so it will be 1 over 2, right? This is 1 over 5. Division we can change to multiplication, and then get the reciprocal of this, that means 1 over 2. Normally fraction divided by fraction or fraction divided by number, we need to do this way. So here will be what, the 1 into 1 1, 5 into 2 10. So this is the final answer, x equal 1 over 10.